Welcome back to MyGo Minds. So in this video, let's write a program which finds out the second maximum number among three given numbers. Okay, so what do you mean by a maximum number? Any number which is having the highest value is stated as a maximum number, right? So what about the second maximum value among three numbers? So any value which is the second highest value, which is having the second highest value among three numbers is called as second maximum value. Okay, so how to find out second maximum number? So if there are multiple, if there are hundreds or thousands of numbers, okay, so in order to find out the second number, we have to, suppose let us take a list, okay. So for that, initially we have to do descending order. Descending order is nothing but from the largest number to the smallest number. So the highest value to the lowest value, okay. So and for that case, we have to find out the second index value. So when it comes to index, 0 is the first place and 1 is the second place. We have to find out index of 1, then we'll be getting the second maximum value. Okay, so what are the operators in order to find out second maximum value? It is greater than and also and operator. Okay, so let us take an example where A is equals to 50, B is equals to 20 and C is equals to 90. So what is the second maximum value? 50, 20, 90 means A is equals to 50, right? So now let us write a program which finds out the second maximum number among three numbers. So now let's take a variable A is equals to and int, and let us take the input, let's say input and enter first number, enter first number. So let me just copy this and paste. So let's say this is B for the second number and this is the C. So this is second number and this is the third number. So now we have three numbers and now we have tried the logic in order to find out which number is the second maximum number. So if condition statement A, so let us find out initially for A, okay. So if A is greater than, let's find out initially if A is greater or not. So for that, A is greater than B, okay. So A is greater than B and A is greater than C. Then what happens? Then it will be the A will be the greatest number, right? But we wanted to find out the second. So in that case, what A is the greatest number? In that case, we will need second maximum number. Either B or C will be the second maximum number. So we have to write another condition that B is greater than C. So in that case, I will be printing. In that case, B will be the maximum, second maximum value, right? So B will be the second maximum number, okay. So if not B, it's else C, right? If not B, C will be the second maximum value, okay. So C, okay. So likewise, let's check for B. So if we have second statement is L if, okay, L if B is greater than C and B is greater than A, which means that if it is true, then B will be the maximum number. But we wanted to find out second maximum number. For that, we have to check A is greater than C, okay. So either A or A is greater than C means A will be the second maximum value. If not, else C will be the second maximum value. Okay. So else what? C will be the maximum value now. So directly if A is greater than B, then of course A will be the second maximum value. Else B will be the second maximum value, okay. So so this is A and this is B. I hope you understand. Here what we are doing is that first initially checking the maximum value. We are checking which is the maximum value. If it is checking with A, if it is greater than B or greater than C. If A is greater than C, I wanted to check between other two numbers, because we are finding out second maximum value. So B is greater than C, then it will be printing B second value or else C second value. Likewise, we are checking for B, and for since like we don't have to write a special condition for C, directly we can go for else. Directly, if A is greater than B, then A will be the maximum value, else B will be the maximum value. Okay. So let me take an example. Let's say the first number is 90 and 25, 70. Okay. So 70 is the second maximum number. Okay. So this is how you write the program in order to identify which is the maximum, second maximum number among three numbers. So that's all about this program, guys. For more such programmatic based videos, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share it with your friends. And also please don't forget to follow us on our Facebook, LinkedIn and Instagram. Thank you.